Sure.
Which one you got there? Got an M&M, don't you? Which one you're getting? You got an M&M too, didn't you, William? Yeah, you got an M&M.
No, you can have that.
No, you go ahead and eat that, Dave. That's a Chex Mix. They know they don't want Chex Mix.
It's all wet and gooey.
They know they don't want Chex Mix.
They're getting all wet and gooey, but
What did you get, Dave?
his finger. a chocolate flavored finger. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What are you picking up there? What are you picking up, Jack? What did you get?
Yeah, that's a good
Oh, you threw the Chex Mix down on the ground. Yeah, I would too. Okay. All
Get it
righty.
off that counter. Let's get it off the counter.
Okay. Yep, get your fingers out. Okay, what are you picking up now? Another Chex Mix?
Thank you.
Give that to Great Uncle Dave.
Thank you very much.
But now the chocolate chips and the M&Ms, what happens to those, huh?
Well, that's
Okay, there you go. Good job, boys.